Say hi. Uh, say hi. Say hi to the fans. Say hi. He's being messed up right now. What's up, guys? It's been a long time. YouTube and everything. I've been working on a bunch of other stuff like work, college, and stuff like that, trying to upgrade everything I need to make season 2. Everything on the channel. Links in the description. I will put it on there a little later on today because I'm doing this on my phone, which is a 3.2 megapixel camera. I'm gonna upgrade a little later. So yeah, okay. There's extra videos for Let's Plays coming soon to the main channel. Tell us what games you want us to play. And should we do it on a separate channel, or just do it here in the main channel, or just put it on my personal channel? But everything will be in the link in the description below. So tell them in the comment section, or just Twitter me, or Facebook, Facebook me, or something like that, guys. So yeah, pretty much. It's just pretty much a little update video. This guy, he's gonna be helping with the Let's Play videos as well, right? Okay, I'll take that as yes. Because I'm in the dorm room right now, guys. Little adventure. So here we go. We go, guys. Yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys later, real soon, guys, and keep on rocking.